Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Oloch is my name. I am a stock market researcher and investor. My work is one, to predict the stock market, to advise people on the stock market, and tell you which stocks to buy so that you make money. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is this: why fundamental analysis is wrong, or better, the disadvantages of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis, they study the earnings, the profits, the news, the management of a company, and many other things. And by the time you get all this information, like why the management of a company is good or flawed or something like that, it can be too late for you. Let's take, for example, Scan Group. Scan Group, when it was eventually revealed that they had management issues, Scan Group was 6 shillings. 12 months before, or not even 12 months before, some 6 or 5 months before, Scan Group was selling at 25 shillings, 22 shillings, 25 shillings, 23 shillings. Before we knew it, Scan Group was dropping. In 5 or 6 months' time, Scan Group was 6 shillings. So by the time such news that you study management, you study a lot of things that fundamental analysts study, of course, not forgetting the revenues, the gross profit, the profit before tax, the key ratios, earnings per share. Things have gotten out of hand. Before you get all those, the price has moved so much down, and investors have incurred losses and massive losses. I'm not saying that I'll not be looking at fundamental analysis, but fundamental analysis is not the only thing that you should look at. I have a business partner, Mike Ayo, and we argue with him a lot. Personally, I prefer technical analysis in doing my advisory, telling people buy this, not buy this, buy this, not buy this. My business partner, Mike Ayo, prefers fundamental analysis, and he says that my method of looking at stocks is flawed, is errors, should not be considered. I'm also telling him, your method of looking at stocks is also wrong. So I'm always arguing with my business partner. We never agree on how to look at stocks. He looks at it this way, I look at it that way. He's like the north, me I'm in the south, or he's the west, me I'm in the west. We always disagree on how to analyze stocks. Now, I'm reading Jack Bernstein. Jack Bernstein says this: the task of fundamental analysis is intimidating to most investors. Not only are they unaware of the methods, but they are also overwhelmed by the task. Their insecurity discourages them from investing on their own. They have, over the years, been misled to believe that professional money managers are nothing less than demigods, even their expertise in stock picking. And now, these are some of the things he notes out, the disadvantages of fundamental analysis. He is asking, is fundamental analysis worthwhile? If you ask those who practice FA, fundamental analysis, they will of course support their method. They will tell you FA only makes sense, not only makes sense, but it makes the money as well. But these are the disadvantages. One, by the time the fundamentals are known, they are very well out of date, as I've told you with Scan Group. Are the fundamentals you have collected really important? Sometimes they are not. How can you obtain the necessary information? There are too many information resources. There is social media, there is mainstream media, there is citizen journalism, there are bloggers, everybody is advising you, so fundamentals can be flawed in most cases. Again, are the process credible? Of course, a while back we had one of guys in the stock market giving analysis of the stock market, and yet it was discovered later on that the information he was giving guys, he was involved in insider trading. So sometimes you want to question your sources of information. Again, you want to ask yourself, the fundamentals you've corrected, are they correct? Sometimes a company can give very good reports, very good financial records, but then the stocks go down. Then you wonder what's happening. That is where you need technical analysis, and technical analysis can guide you, and it's so easy to use, and it's so easy to study, and it's so easy to learn. Check out the next video. I'll be talking of technical analysis and how to use it. And please subscribe to our Telegram channel down here, and subscribe to this channel for more information. I'll be giving lots and lots and lots of information on the stock market. You want to learn? Join our Telegram group. I teach people there daily, 24 hours. I don't sleep. I'm the comrades mole. I'm here to enlighten comrades, enlighten Kenyans, and help us grow money. I want us all to be rich. I want us all to be millionaires. Jesus says that he came to give us life, and life in abundance. We should not suffer. Bye-bye. Oriti, tunane rosho. Cheers. Please share this video with your friends on social media. Asante.